Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. It's mango season, so why not make some mango and banana smoothie? It's healthy, delicious, and so yummy. You can make this for sahri or iftar. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this delicious and healthy banana and mango smoothies. 500 ml of toned milk. I've kept the milk in the freezer so that it forms some ice. And I'm not going to use any ice cubes because then your smoothie will get watery. 1 ripe mango. I've sliced the mango. And 2 medium bananas chopped. Some sugar for taste. So into the mixer jar, I'm going to add the bananas, mangoes, and I'm going to add some sugar. Now you can add sugar as per your taste or as per your requirement, okay, as per your diet, sorry. And then you go ahead and add the milk into it. So now I'm going to just blend this together. Alright, so our smoothie is all done. As you can see, it's so nice, yummy, and so thick. So I'm going to remove this into some glasses which I have here. Alright guys, as you can see, my smoothie is all done and I hope you like it. Do let me know what you are going to make this Ramzan and what you would like me to make. Don't forget to share with your friends, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.